Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your smartphone, your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, is heating while charging. First of all, I just want to mention that it is absolutely normal if you are using a fast charging feature of your smartphone, but still, if you want to disable it for safety, you can go to settings, open battery menu here, then go to charging options and change the speed up wired charging mode to the standard one. This will partly resolve the issue. Now what else you can do in this mode is check for background app activity, see which applications use your background the most. Select the application from this list and restrict the background activity for the ones demanding for the most demanding ones. Or if you don't recognize an application at all, then uninstall it from your smartphone so that it doesn't use your battery resources at all. Also use original charger and cable. They are the least harmful for your device's battery, so I highly recommend using an original Xiaomi charger, and avoid using your smartphone while charging by using it for I don't know, media consumption for a longer period of time, or especially gaming. So do not use your device for gaming while it's charging. It actually impacts some other devices like consoles battery in a good way. However, with smartphone it just works in an opposite direction. So if you are using your device for gaming while it's charging, you are actually causing damage to your battery and you are causing your device to overheat. Now besides, of course, try keeping your device in a cool, well-ventilated area. Not cool, but rather in the room temperature. In a room temperature with good ventilation. And besides, to reduce your device overheating, remove any protective cases from your device. This will also improve the heat dissipation of your smartphone. And so that's all the tips for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.